You're under arrest. Stand up. We're done.
No.
Sir, stand up now.
Are you proud of yourself, dickhead?
Officers responded to a report of an intoxicated man in finding a safe way home.
Hey. You the manager? All right, where is this gentleman?
Okay, so I just want to let you know he's not being aggressive or violent or anything. He's like the sweetest person.
Hey, sir.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good. Hey, sir, we got a call about you and wanted to come over here and check on you. Doing okay?
Yeah, I'm having a lot of back pain.
Back pain?
Sciatica.
Okay. All right. What? Did you just have surgery or something?
I've had my knees replaced.
Okay. Do you take medication for that?
No,
not
try
at all.
not to.
Okay.
How much you had to drink tonight, man?
Not more than I usually do.
Yeah, how much do you usually drink?
3 or 4 beers.
Okay. I just got here at 7. I haven't looked at how much he doesn't drink a lot. But I feel like maybe there's a possibility, like he keeps talking about back pain, sciatica, he's had 2 hip surgeries.
How old do you think he is?
16.
Gotcha. We're just concerned about you. They said that you had fallen down in the bathroom and you're having...
I did, and I do that at home too.
Sure.
It's embarrassing, but
Yeah.
I don't have no explanation for it. But they asked me not to leave, and so I'm not going to.
Sure. So our concern is that obviously you get home safe, but based off of how I'm hearing, like how you're talking, I'm concerned that you're unable to care for yourself. Okay. Because I
okay to care for myself.
okay. So I mean, I can smell the alcohol coming from you, sir.
I mean, yeah.
You're not driving, and I said, let me get you a safe way home because he had fallen in the bathroom. But he's like telling me he doesn't want to leave without his vehicle. And he won't tell me his address to get him an Uber.
All right, we'll go over there and talk to him. We have to make sure he's able to care for himself. And I'm not trying to be rude or mean to you or anything like that. I'm just trying to let you know where I'm coming from and what our responsibility is.
So if they don't have a problem, I'll just sit here until...
Do you live alone or do you live with somebody?
Yeah, I live with my parents.
Okay.
Is your parents able to come over here and pick you up?
No. Is anybody else able to come pick you up so we can get you home?
The issue isn't you being here. That's not the problem. Okay. The problem is the amount you've had to drink.
I haven't had that much to drink.
Well.
It's about my back and my legs.
So here's what we have to do.
It was
Sure. And again, sir, I'm not trying to accuse you of doing anything, but here's what we have to do. Okay. We have to release you to a sober party. Okay.
We have to have somebody come.
We have to have somebody come over here and pick you up. Okay.
I'm not drunk.
Can I talk to your manager? Thank you.
141, you're there.
Who has been serving him? Do you know who was serving him? Just so I can see how much he was actually served and over an amount of time. Because I want to see if that's what it is or if there's something else going on.
Yeah, let me look. Okay, so he's had 2 Bud Lights.
Okay.
He bought a couple next to them with 2 McAlters, she said.
So he's only had 2 Bud Lights?
Yes.
And the other 2 were for 2 other people?
Yes.
Okay. Who served him? Can I talk to her? Is she still here?
Yeah, she's right here.
I just want to ask you. So he's only had 2, correct? The other 2 were for different people.
So he's had 3 from me.
3.
Yes.
Okay.
I ain't trying to fight you guys.
I appreciate that. We don't want to fight you either.
I fell in the bathroom. I do that at home 2 or 3 times a year. I'm not proud of it. But it's not nothing to do with drugs or alcohol or anything else.
So I hear what you're saying, okay? But here's where we're coming from, okay? We got a call that you were stumbling, that you were going to go get in your car and drive away, okay? And the manager,
They asked me not to, and I did.
and that's great. We appreciate that you didn't do that, okay? But listen, I am an unbiased person in this, okay? I go by what I observe and what I'm being told, okay? My observations of you is that you are highly intoxicated and that you are unable to care for yourself.
So there was 2 couples sitting next to him. They bought him a beer, so he bought them those 2.
Okay.
So
he's had
technically
3.
he said 3 total beers.
Okay. When he first got in here, is he a regular here?
I've seen him a couple times, but I don't know him. I couldn't tell you what his name
Okay. Did he give you any problems? Was he belligerent at all? Anything like that?
He kind of talked to some strangers next to him a couple times, but like, I mean, I don't remember. I mean, if he annoyed the people, they didn't lead it on to me.
Okay.
They might have just like shoot it away.
Okay.
But he started to like fall asleep, and I was like, hey buddy, like we can't have you doing that. So.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
I mean,
you.
if he would just give us an address, we would get him a cab home.
That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
So thank you.
4 beers.
I really need you to call somebody so I can release you.
I'll just sit here.
I can't.
unless they don't
Listen to me.
want
Listen to me. I cannot allow you to sit here because if I leave and you walk out here and get hit by a car and something happens to you, I'm held liable. Does that make sense? I will be in trouble. Okay. I, as a police officer, am responsible for you now, based off of the information I've been given. I understand that. And again, I'm trying to be as reasonable as possible. The last thing I want to do is take you to jail over something silly. I don't want to do that. Okay. But I really need you to call somebody so that you can go home, or at least somebody can come over here and hang out with you.
to call.
You can't call your parents? What about any friends?
I don't have any friends.
You don't have any friends at all?
No.
There's no family members at all that are close that can come get you?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, and this is embarrassing.
And
I
get
do
that.
nothing wrong.
And I get that. Listen, I'm not trying to embarrass you, okay? But again, like I've already explained to you, this is my legal responsibility. I have to make sure that you're taken care of.
But what I'm trying to tell you is nothing that happened is about intoxication.
Sir, listen, we as police officers, we're operating in the realm of probable cause, okay? That's where we're at right now. Where do your parents live at?
I don't even know if I want to tell you.
I'm trying to work with you, man.
I just want to get you right home. That's all
I'm
we're
trying to
here
work
for.
with you.
Yeah,
I don't want to arrest you. That's what I'm trying to prevent. I don't want to do that.
So can we go about getting you somebody up here?
We live in the Ubeck area.
Okay.
It's not far.
Do you have a cell phone with you that we can call somebody?
I didn't do nothing wrong, guys.
I'm trying to be as reasonable as possible with you, but here's where we're at. We have two options tonight, okay? If you can't call somebody to come and get you, I have to arrest you, okay? I don't want to do that. Yes, I have to.
We have to.
Okay? I don't want to do that. I really want to get you to go with the second option and call somebody. Why don't we try starting with a phone call so that way we can see if we can talk to them and see if they can talk to somebody, get them a ride.
Yeah, maybe they have somebody that can get you.
I called you guys.
Sir, it's irrelevant at this point.
No, it's not.
It is. It's irrelevant.
Get your phone out and call somebody. Let's get somebody
I
on the
don't
phone.
have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
Do you know a phone number for your parents?
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
have a phone.
I'll go get a
Okay.
phone.
Well, we can make a phone call for you. Last thing I want to do is disturb you while you're here.
What is wrong with you?
All right, man. Look, we're not gonna be cussing and cursing like that, okay?
I'm sorry.
Because if you start that, I'm gonna arrest you right now, okay?
And what are you going to arrest me
For disorderly conduct.
I'm not being disorderly.
Sir, right now, I have probable cause to arrest you. I don't. I do. I'm telling you.
Don't.
I'm telling you I do. I don't want to do that. I'm trying to be reasonable with you.
Why are you going to arrest me?
I'm trying not to, okay? But if you cannot get somebody to come pick you up, I will arrest you.
For what?
I've explained it to you numerous times.
For what?
For disorderly conduct.
How am I being disorderly?
Because you are intoxicated.
I'm not.
You are unable to care for yourself. You have shown that you are unable to care for yourself and present a risk of physical harm to yourself. Okay?
I have not.
So, can you give us the phone number so we can call your parents?
Can you give me the phone number?
No.
All right, we're gonna give you one more opportunity, sir. If you don't give us somebody to call, you're going to jail.
For what?
I've explained it to you. All right, are you going to give us a number to call?
For what?
All right, you're under arrest. Stand up. We're done.
No.
Stand up. You're under arrest. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. You're under arrest.
Put your foot out. Oh,
Stand up.
come on.
I'm not
We're not doing
going to
this.
stand.
Sir, stand up now. You're under arrest. Sir, stand up now. Stand up now.
I can't stand
Yes,
up.
you can. Stand up. Put your feet underneath of you.
That problem.
We are going to help you. Sir, stand up, please. 153, can you start us another unit? We're going to have someone not cooperating. Stand up.
Explain to me why I'm
Sir,
under arrest.
stop resisting us and stand up.
Resisting.
You're not complying.
I got a back problem.
All right.
Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight it.
Are you proud of yourself, dickhead?
Stop resisting. Let go of my handcuffs now. All right, we're gonna go underneath his arms.
I like it.
Listen to me. I don't want to hurt you, okay? But you have to comply. You have to comply.
I'm not trying not to comply.
Okay. Then when we lift you up, you need to put your feet under you and stand up. Okay? I don't want you to get hurt.
Do you understand that I don't even understand what's going on?
I understand that. I need you to stand up. Okay? Stand up, man. You can't.
There you go.
Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Walk.
Towards the front door.
All right, stand right here in front of my car. Come on.
In front of your car.
Right here.
What?
Right here.
Stand right there. Spread your feet the best you can. Yep.
There you go.
This is crazy. I got no weapons. This is insane. I didn't do nothing but maybe have a couple too many beers, and they asked me to stay here, and I did. So what's the point?
The point is you're unable to care for yourself.
No, I am able to care for myself. This is stupid.
We gave you an opportunity to call for a ride and you wouldn't do it.
Oh, don't give me that nonsense. Got nothing
All right, man.
on me, buddy.
We're gonna walk over here to the back of my car, okay?
Don't you think there's something more important for you guys to be doing?
Well, this is all part of our job, unfortunately. Go and have a seat.
All right, we're going to have a seat down in there. Watch your head when you get in.
I don't even know what's going on here.
Like I told you, you're under arrest.
Put your butt down.
Pushing me.
I'm holding you up.
We're trying to get you to sit down, man.
I will.
Turn your feet. Turn your feet. There you go.
Seat back in there. There you go.
Yep.
All right.
Give yourself that.
It's going to. Just go ahead and kick this leg up right there and put it in there. All right, let's put our legs in there.
You guys aren't being.
Come on.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh.
Slide back.
Oh, they're breaking my ankle.
Well, slide it.
Well, as soon as you sit up, ain't gonna do that. Go ahead and put that leg in there. All right, now just turn your body.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Just turn your body, face that way.
I'm getting arrested because I wouldn't make a phone call.
You're getting arrested because you're unable to care for yourself.
No, that's not true.
It's the red Chevy right there.
Man, I've lost.
Nope. Thank you.
He was charged with obstruction and resisting without violence.